Alright, I just want to make a quick video about Juuls, specifically how to get a better hit out of them, because if you notice, just like hitting them, sometimes you get a really strong hit, which I like personally, but a lot of times the hits are really weak. One of the things you can do is I don't know if this is really focused on it or not, but basically if you look close enough, you can see like bubbles in there. What you want to do is just squeeze it, and not too hard, but enough to get the bubbles kind of coming up, and you just keep squeezing till the as many bubbles as you can are at the top, and you just kind of flick it, and that should help you get a better hit. Also, here, that's good. Another thing, sometimes I notice if I just pull it out and flip it around, or even just pull it out and plug it back in, it'll give me a stronger hit. Also, make sure it's fully charged, and you can just tap on it yourself, but that doesn't always work very well. It's working for me right now, but sometimes if you just double tap it on a hard surface, it'll show that's bright green. That means it's pretty well charged. Another thing is you just take a Q-tip or something, because this will leak oil, and that can affect the vapor quality. So for that, I usually just take a Q-tip or something and kind of get it in here and rub it against the inside. Just make sure you're getting all that oil out, and then get just a little tissue or something, and do the same thing on here. Just make sure you're getting all that excess oil off of it. You can also just rub it off on your pant leg or something. Pretty simple. Yeah, that's about it.